Hi! In front of me is Vivo V23 and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this smartphone. Firstly, open settings and scroll down. Now you need to select security, tap on screen lock and select one of those login methods, swipe pattern pin or complex password. I will give patterns, I have to click on it and enter my pattern. When you're ready, select next at the bottom right corner, repeat your login method and choose confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Now you need to select how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. I want to see all of them, so I will go with show all notifications, content and tap on done at the bottom right corner. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!